What's going on? This is Darren with Smart REI. I wanted to give you a quick tip today. If you're buying a house that's cheap enough, you don't have anything to worry about. But anyways, sometimes we buy them with tighter margins. And if you're doing that, you need to at least, please, stick your head inside of the attic. Look, see if the house has decking. Pull up the first layer of shingles. See if it has the wood shingles. If it has the wood shingles, you're going to need to replace all of the decking. The decking is what goes up underneath the asphalt shingles that we put on roofs here in the Houston area. So if you're buying houses that are on a slightly tighter margin, you can't afford to lose $3,000 for something that's unforeseen, and it's 100% preventable. All I did is I bought the house right, so I was, I guess, a little bit lazy. I didn't stick my head into the attic, which is fortunate that the numbers still work. But if you are buying properties on tighter margins, please always make sure that the house has decking before you buy it. Thanks, and see you next time.